Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can run Facebook ads on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Right here you're going to find content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find your apps and settings. So basically, guys, in order to be able to run Facebook ads on Shopify, go next to apps, click on this little arrow, and then here you're going to find the list that includes all of your installed apps on your online store. And here in the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps and app and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on all recommended apps. Then you're going to be here. Go to the bottom. Then you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Give it a click. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. Once here, as you can see, guys, just go to the top, click on the search bar and search for Facebook and Instagram like this. And then once you do that, hit enter. And then you're going to find all of these results for your search. In this list, search for Facebook and Instagram. Once you find it, give it a click, and then you're going to be here in the application page. Once here, click on install, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab. So just wait for it to load. Once loaded, click on install right here. And then, as you can see, guys, it's going to be added to your navigation. You can also pin it to your navigation if you want. And as you can see, guys, it's added. Basically, guys, from this application, you can run your ads. As you can see, guys, you can also personalize them. So just click on get started. And then first of all, connect your account. And then you're going to be able to run ads on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.